And I'm Angelina. So today we're going to share our art robot challenge with you and show you how we went from this to this. So now I'm going to talk about the building of this machine. So as you can see here, the robot has got three main modules, including the pen holder and the horizontal motor, which moves on top of the main robot. The main robot, which carries the pen holder and moves on the ground along with the track. And lastly, the frame that is stuck on the ground. So now let's start with the pen holder part. The idea of the pen holder is that it should be able to control the distance between the pen and paper, so we use a lot of different size small wheels for the marker to slide on and prevent it from shaking too much. So this is our first prototype. It has got multiple gears in here because we wanted to make the two wheels run in opposite direction in order for the marker to go up and down, like this. This module actually worked great in terms of controlling the marker, but because it has got so many gears, the size of the prototype is very big. And it makes the robot not stable and also not able to go to the very edge of the paper since it has got a large piece around the marker. Therefore, we came up with this second prototype, which has the medium motor standing up and parallel with the marker, and it reduces the horizontal space needed. Instead of using so many gears like the first prototype, we decided to change to using a rubber band for this, which we crossed over, so it also allows the two wheels to run in opposite direction. We were able to use a rubber band because the marker is very light and not a huge force is needed for the marker to be moved up and down. Beside the pen holder, we have attached the horizontal motor module on here too, so it's able to move around on the paper. With the horizontal motor module, we used a large motor because a large torque is needed for it to move smoothly on top of the main robot. As you can see here, we've got two layers of gears to deliver the force from the motor to the gears that drive the module. We found that at least two gears are needed because it would be very wobbly and unstable if there is only one. After a few tests, we found that we can't rely on the support of weight because when the marker goes down and touches the paper, the whole module gets lifted up and makes the position of the module wrong. Therefore, we added these L beams here to fix the problem.
Moving on to the main robot, it is constructed by two robots connected by these beams which have gear racks on them. The idea of the main robot is that it should carry the pen holder and the horizontal movement to achieve the y-axis movement. The beam has gear tracks attached for the pen holder's module gears to move on top. With two medium motors driving the two robots, we find that it sometimes goes skewed to one side. And that's why we've added these tracks that are stuck onto the ground with glue tape, so that the robot can move along with the track without going crooked. Connected with the tracks, we also added extensions from the track to make sure that the position of the paper is the same every time, and also to indicate the position of where the paper should be.